Copycat Hash Brown Casserole. Get ready, we've got a yummy meal lined up for you today. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, 1 small onion, finely diced, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, quarter cup all-purpose flour, half cup, half and half cup low sodium chicken broth, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups shredded mild cheddar cheese, divided, 850 grams, 30-ounce bag, frozen shredded hash browns, thawed. Here we go, let's get started. From start to finish will take about 55 minutes. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish with 1 tablespoon of the butter. 2. Cook the aromatics. In a large saucepan, melt the remaining 4 tablespoons butter over medium-high heat. Add the garlic powder, finely diced onion, a pinch of kosher salt, and a few grinds of black pepper. Cook until the onion softens, about 5 minutes. 3. Make the roux. Stir in the flour and whisk for about 2 minutes until lightly golden and bubbling. 4. Create the sauce. Slowly whisk in the half and chicken broth. Return to a simmer and cook until thickened, about 1 minute. Remove from the heat. 5. Finish the sauce. Stir in the sour cream and 1½ cups of the cheddar cheese until melted and smooth. 6. Combine with hash browns. Fold in the thawed hash browns, tossing until evenly coated. Adjust seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. 7. Assemble and bake. Spread the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Sprinkle the remaining ½ cup cheddar over the top. 8. Bake for about 45 minutes until bubbly and golden around the edges. 9. Crisp the top. Raise the oven temperature to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius, and bake for an additional 5 minutes until the top is golden and slightly crispy. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Simmer the sauce gently. Let the sauce simmer for just a minute to thicken. Don't boil too long, or it may separate. 2. Let it rest before serving. Allow the casserole to sit for 5–10 minutes after baking to set up for easier slicing and better texture. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal.